once again. This is Anna. All right, this time we're going to talk about Florence, Italy. We already talked about Venice and we already talked about Rome. So now it is time for us to talk about Florence. And this will be our last one, last city that we talk about that is in Italy. Widely known for its Renaissance, the mesmerizing art, and breathtaking architect of the capital of Tuscany is a dreamy holiday destination. It's Florence. You should visit Florence and experience a sightseeing festival for your eyes of this majestic city. With its outpouring traditions, rich cultures, delicious cuisines, and divine wine. A city oozing with tall buildings, cathedrals, museums, art galleries, and cobblestone pathways. Florence is an insightful place to visit. You should visit. All right, come on. Let's take a tour of Florence. Okay, well, we're going to start off with the hotel. We have taken a picture in front of the hotel, but we did not take a picture of inside the hotel. We unpacked our things and immediately went out. So, this is the pictures that we have of the hotel. Okay, after that, we went window gazing. And also, we ran into a restaurant because we had gotten hungry. And this is the restaurant. And let me see, what else did we do? We also got some scarves made with our names on it. The next day, we came across an artist that drew a dramatic picture of Shania. The picture looked like she was an old lady or something. But this is the picture of it, and everyone was looking, and I thought it was really good. But of course, Shania was like, I don't look like that, but it was really nice. I liked it a lot. And as we was there and we was getting ready to leave, we ran into this cool dog that had on eyeglasses, like shades, sunglasses. So that was so cute, and everyone was taking pictures of him. So of course we had to take a couple of pictures too. Um, so as the day went on, and we were seeing all this art that was laid out and everything, then this guy tried to haggle me for a picture. Now, haggle means that it's not a set price on the picture, so you can either uh, go down on the picture and he can come to the middle, to do the prices. So of course, my prices are low and his prices are high, and we had to come to a middle ground. Now, he wanted 50 euros for this picture, but I got it down to 10 euros. So I haggled him back, and I end up with that picture. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of Florence. And this is our last part of our tour of Italy. So if you enjoyed these and other posts that we've been posting, please, please, it just take one moment to push that subscribe button. Just push that red subscribe button, and I'll be here, of course. You can also comment, like, and ring that notification bell. Until next time, this is Anna.